Inserting rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So if any two rational numbers are given, how to insert either 2, 3 or any number of rational numbers, how to insert in between them. So we have the two methods. So the two methods are explained. First method is according to the given numbers, either is in the form of a fraction or integer type. Okay, the first method is, let me write the formula here. If a comma b, right? If a comma b are two rational numbers, if a comma b are two rational numbers, that means like 2 comma 3, 5 comma 7, 3 comma 4, like this. If a b are two rational numbers, then a plus b by 2 so is also a rational number that's exactly between a and b. Then this is in between a and b. So a plus b divided by 2. So half of the sum of this. Okay, that is in between a by b, a and b. Let us see one example. So insert one rational number between 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3, if you want one rational number exactly in between, what we should do? 2 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. 2 and a half. So 2.5 is exactly between 2 and 3, or 5 by 2 in the form of fractional or decimal form. 2.5 is in decimal form, 5 by 2 is in fractional form. So this number is in between 2 and 3. Okay. And if they asked more than 1, okay, this is all the first method. And the question is asked, insert two rational numbers, or let us say three rational numbers. Insert three rational numbers between, okay, so between 4 and 5. Between 4 and 5 or 3 and 4. Just an example. Between 3 and 4, let us say. Between 3 and 4, I need to insert three rational numbers. So according to the method, so given numbers is 3 and 4, right? 3 comma 4. If you want to insert one number, first let us find out one number in between. So already 3 comma 4. In between, if you want, that is 3 plus 4 divided by 2. The given numbers is 3 and 4. The given value is 3 and 4. So in between, first 3 comma 3 by 4 by 2 comma 4. So 3 comma 3 plus 4 is 7 by 2 comma 4. So 7 by 2, one number we got till now. So 3 comma 7 by 2 is 3.5 in decimal form. 4. Now we need to insert total 3 rational numbers. So as of now we got only one, 3.5. Now again first one and last one is as it is, 3 comma and last one is 4. Now in between 3 comma 3.5 we'll find out one more. That what we should do, 3 plus 3.5 by 2, and already 3.5 is there, and between these two, okay, this 3.5 as it is, this 3 as it is, and 4 is also as it is. There is no change. Now only here between 3.5 one more number, between 3.5 and 4 another number. So that is 3.5 plus 4 divided by 2. Between which two numbers if you want, just add those both and divide by 2. Now you can simplify 3 comma 3 plus 3.5, that is 6.5 by 2, comma again this 3.5, 3.5 plus 4, okay, 7.5 by 2 comma 4. If we simplify, we'll get in decimal form everything. So 3 and 4 as it is. So between them 6.5 by 2, that is 3.25. This is 3.5. 7.5 is 3.75. Do division. Okay, so here is these three numbers are in between. These three rational numbers between 3 and 4. just only a plus b by 2, which in between which two numbers we require, add those two and divide by 2. Right, this is one of the method. And second method is if they'll give the rational numbers. Right, second method. So for any two rational numbers like a by b and c by d in fraction form, if a by b and c by d, if any two rational numbers, then we can take a plus c by b plus d. Numerators and denominators added. A plus c by b plus d is also a rational number. It's exactly between these two. Which two? Between a by b and c by d. If it's a fraction, right? Let us check with an example question. Okay, find three rational numbers. Find out three rational numbers between say 3 by 5 and one more rational number is 4 by 7. Between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7, I need to find out three rational numbers. So here is the given numbers are 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. Right, now let us start this. According to method, a plus c, so numerators divide by sum of the denominators, a plus c by b plus d. That's exactly between them. Now between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. Okay. 3 by 5 is the first one, comma, and third one is 4 by 7. Exactly middle one is 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 7. Okay, this is the method. Now if you simplify 3 by 5, comma, this is the 7 by 12, comma, 4 by 7. Obviously 7 by 12 is in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. So one we got, and more two we required. So what we should do? The 3 by 5 is as it is. Last one is 4 by 7 is as it is. In between we need to find out. Already in between it is 7 by 12. Now between these both, that is sum of this. Between these two both is 3 by 5, 7 by 12. So 3 plus 7 by 5 plus 12, and between these two is this, and between these two is here. So I am changing the color to get a clear idea. Between 7 by 12 and 4 by 7, 7 plus 4 by 12 plus 7. So middle one, first and last one are same, no change. Only the first and second between and second and third between numbers only I got. If we simplify, we'll get the final result. So therefore 3 by 5 and last is 4 by 7. So between other three are 3 plus 7 by 5 plus 12. So 10 by 17, 7 by 12, 7 plus 4, 11 by 19. Right? So this is these three are the numbers, these three rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. Yes. This is the method we can apply. If it is the rational numbers, we will apply the formula. If a by b and c by d are two numbers, two rational numbers, a plus c by b plus d is one of middle between them. The rational number and only a comma b means a plus b by 2. Okay, this is the way we can insert the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers in simple. Then we'll see how to find out the large number of rational numbers, not only 2 or 3. If you more than like 10, 15, the asking, this the method is very lengthy process. Let us do the shortcut trick for that also.